Have you ever wondered if the way you eat your eggs might actually be working against your health? Eggs are packed with protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients, but what you eat them with can make a huge difference. In this video, we'll uncover 3 common food pairings with eggs that could quietly be causing fatigue, poor digestion, or even long-term health issues. But don't worry, we'll also share 3 powerful pairings that can boost your energy, strengthen your bones, and protect your eyesight. Plus, we'll reveal the healthiest ways to cook eggs to get the most nutrition out of every bite. Let's dive in. One of the most common and most harmful food pairings is eggs with white bread. It might be your go-to breakfast, scrambled eggs on toast, or a sunny-side-up egg with a buttered slice. But here's the problem. White bread is made from refined flour, which has been stripped of most of its fiber and nutrients. Your body digests it quickly, causing a rapid spike in blood sugar. That quick energy boost doesn't last. Soon after, your blood sugar crashes, leaving you tired, unfocused, and hungry again. Over time, this roller coaster effect can lead to insulin resistance, inflammation, and even increase your risk of type 2 diabetes, especially in older adults. The solution? Swap white bread for whole grain or sprouted bread, or try pairing your eggs with roasted sweet potatoes or sautéed spinach for longer-lasting energy and better nutrition. Another pairing that sounds healthy but can quietly work against you is eggs and soy. Many people choose soy milk, tofu, or soy protein as a meat alternative, and it seems like a smart match with eggs. Both are high in protein. But here's what most people don't realize. Soy contains compounds called trypsin inhibitors, which can block the enzymes your body needs to fully digest and absorb protein from eggs. That means you're not getting the full benefit of the nutrients, especially the essential amino acids your muscles, brain, and immune system rely on. And it doesn't stop there. Egg whites also contain a protein called avidin, which binds to biotin, a vitamin your body needs for healthy skin, hair, and energy. When you combine eggs with soy, especially if the eggs aren't fully cooked, it can make it harder for your body to access that biotin. Plus, soy can be tough on digestion, particularly as we age, causing bloating, heaviness, or discomfort when mixed with the richness of eggs. The fix is simple. Enjoy them separately. Have your tofu or soy milk at another meal, and switch to non-soy alternatives like almond, oat, or coconut milk when having eggs for breakfast. Now let's talk about another common combination that seems harmless: eggs and a cup of tea. For many, starting the day with eggs and a warm mug of black or green tea feels comforting and even healthy. But this pairing could actually be blocking your body from getting some of the most important nutrients in your meal. That's because tea contains natural compounds called tannins. While tannins have antioxidant benefits, they also bind to minerals like iron and calcium, 2 key nutrients found in eggs. When this happens, your body has a harder time absorbing them, which over time can lead to lower energy, weaker bones, and reduced mental focus. Tannins can also interfere with protein digestion, making your breakfast feel heavier and harder to process, especially for older adults with slower digestion. But the good news is there's an easy solution. Simply avoid drinking tea at the same time as your eggs. Have your tea 30 to 60 minutes before or after your meal, or swap it out for a herbal tea like chamomile, peppermint, or rooibos, which don't contain tannins and are gentler on the stomach. You can also pair your eggs with a small glass of orange juice. The vitamin C helps your body absorb more iron, giving you a nourishing and energizing start to the day. While some food pairings with eggs can quietly drain your energy or block nutrients, others can do the exact opposite, like eggs and pumpkin. This combo might sound a little unexpected at first, but it's actually one of the most powerful pairings for your eyes, your brain, and your energy levels. Pumpkin is rich in beta-carotene, a compound your body turns into vitamin A, essential for healthy vision, especially as we age. It helps your eyes adjust to light, stay moist, and lowers the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Meanwhile, eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two unique antioxidants that protect the retina from damage caused by sunlight and blue light from screens. When eaten together, pumpkin and eggs work like a powerful team to support your eyesight from the inside out. But the benefits don't stop there. Pumpkin is also full of fiber and slow-digesting carbs that give you steady energy without spiking your blood sugar, while eggs bring in high-quality protein and healthy fats to keep you full and focused. It's a simple, delicious pairing that can make a real difference in how you feel. Try adding soft-boiled eggs to a creamy pumpkin soup or serving roasted pumpkin alongside scrambled eggs. Warm, comforting, and incredibly nourishing. Another delicious and nutrient-rich pairing is eggs and cheese, a classic combo that does more for your body than you might think. On their own, eggs are already a powerhouse of nutrition, offering high-quality protein, vitamin D, and choline, all essential for muscle strength, brain health, and metabolism. But while eggs are rich in vitamin D, they're low in calcium, and that's where cheese comes in. Cheese provides the calcium your body needs for strong bones, healthy nerves, and a steady heartbeat. And here's the key: your body needs vitamin D to properly absorb calcium. So when you eat eggs and cheese together, you're giving your body the perfect combo to actually use that calcium and build stronger bones. This is especially important as we get older, since bone density naturally decreases with age, increasing the risk of fractures or osteoporosis. Plus, many cheeses like Parmesan, Gouda, and Cheddar contain probiotics that support gut health, helping your body absorb nutrients more efficiently and reduce inflammation. And let's not forget, eggs and cheese just taste good together. Whether it's a cheesy omelet, scrambled eggs with a sprinkle of shredded cheese, or baked egg cups with veggies, this pairing delivers comfort, flavor, and real nourishment in every bite. Now for a pairing that might surprise you: eggs and apples. At first glance, they seem like an odd match. One is rich and savory, the other crisp and sweet. But together, they create a balanced and powerful duo, especially when it comes to digestion, immunity, and steady energy. Eggs, while incredibly nutritious, can feel a bit heavy on the stomach when eaten alone, particularly for older adults. That's where apples come in. Apples are packed with fiber, especially a type called pectin, which is gentle on the digestive system and helps move food through your gut at just the right pace. When paired with eggs, that fiber helps balance the digestion of protein and fat, so you feel lighter and more comfortable after eating. Plus, apples help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing those post-meal crashes that can leave you tired or craving snacks. But the benefits go even further. Apples are also rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts your immune system and enhances your body's ability to absorb iron from egg yolks. Since iron is essential for energy and brain function, this simple pairing can give you a natural lift in stamina and focus. Best of all, it's easy to enjoy. Just slice a fresh apple alongside a couple of hard-boiled eggs for a quick breakfast or snack, or toss them into a salad with spinach and a spoonful of plain yogurt for a light, gut-friendly meal. Of course, it's not just what you pair with your eggs that matters, it's also how you cook them. The way you prepare eggs can either protect their powerful nutrients or quietly destroy them, especially as we age and our bodies become more sensitive to how we absorb food. A common myth is that eating raw eggs, like in protein shakes or smoothies, is better because the nutrients haven't been cooked out. But in reality, raw eggs can be harder to digest and may even block the absorption of important vitamins like biotin. They also carry a risk of salmonella, which can be dangerous for people with weaker immune systems. The good news? Cooking eggs actually makes many of their nutrients more available, as long as you do it the right way. Gentle cooking methods are best. Soft-boiled eggs with a firm white and slightly runny yolk help preserve heat-sensitive nutrients like choline and lutein, which support brain and eye health. Steaming eggs is another great option. It avoids direct high heat, keeps the texture tender, and preserves key vitamins like B12. Poaching eggs, where they're gently cooked in simmering water, is one of the leanest and easiest to digest methods, since it requires no added fats. If you enjoy scrambled eggs, that's totally fine. Just keep the heat low and cook them slowly to avoid breaking down delicate nutrients. Add a splash of milk or water to keep them soft and creamy. And for those who love fried eggs, you don't have to give them up. Just be mindful of the oil. Avoid processed vegetable oils or margarine and instead use healthier options like extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil, which are more stable at cooking temperatures and support heart and brain health. So the next time you crack an egg, think about your pan, your oil, and your heat. With just a few simple changes in how you cook them, you can turn eggs into an even more powerful part of your daily nutrition, fueling your body with the support it needs to stay strong, sharp, and energized. So as you can see, eggs are more than just a breakfast staple. They're a powerful, versatile food that can truly support your health if you use them wisely. It's not just about eating eggs. It's about pairing them with the right foods and cooking them in ways that protect their nutrients. By avoiding harmful combos like eggs with white bread, soy, or tea, and choosing nourishing pairings like pumpkin, cheese, and apples, you can give your body the fuel it needs to feel better, move better, and age with strength. And remember, small changes in the kitchen can lead to big results over time. So take a moment to reflect. Is there one simple shift you can make starting this week? Maybe switching out your morning toast, changing how you cook your eggs, or giving your gut a little extra care. If this video helped you learn something new, please give it a like, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us keep creating content designed to help you live healthier, feel stronger, and stay informed. Take care, stay mindful, and I'll see you in the next one.